Welcome to 30 East. Located at 30 East Balboa Drive, 30 East is the newest addition to Columbia's Residence Hall portfolio. Just footsteps away from Columbia's new Student Center, 30 East is home to roughly 325 Columbia students, as well as the Residence Life office. 30 East offers the following apartment-style spaces: small double, 1 bath, 2-person apartment; 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 4-person apartment; 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 5-person apartment; 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 5-person apartment. Students rank their preferred room styles: a traditional semi-suite, a single room and a shared apartment, or a shared room and a shared apartment on the application. However, building and room assignments are made based on availability. Every resident of 30 East is provided with a bed and dresser in their room. In addition, each room offers a built-in closet. There are 2 to 4 desks provided in each room, depending on the original floor plan of the building. Each apartment has a common living area, which includes a couch, chair, coffee table, and an in-unit washer-dryer. There's a kitchen in each apartment, equipped with a fridge, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Each kitchen has either an island or a table with chairs and/or stools. Each bathroom has a combined shower and bathtub, and sinks have built-in storage underneath. Additional amenities at 30 East include an outdoor terrace with a grill, fire pit, and flat-screen TV. A fitness center with cardio and strength training equipment, as well as a yoga aerobic studio with online fitness classes. A community space with an indoor-outdoor fireplace. A tech bar with computers and free printing. An indoor sky lounge and outdoor sky terrace with panoramic views of the city. And indoor bike storage with a repair station and a gas pump. At Columbia, the safety and well-being of our students is our top priority. 30 East has a 24-hour security desk with key fob access for all residents. Living at 30 East puts you within walking distance of public transportation, numerous cafes and restaurants, Grant Park, and of course, Columbia College Chicago's state-of-the-art facilities. With countless amenities and modern apartment-style spaces, 30 East is an amazing home base for students to grow and learn while attending Columbia College Chicago.